Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, how are you guys today?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
Fine too, thank you. Okay, before we start the class, let's pray together. Pray together. Pray finish. Okay, let me check your presence today. Nadira Aprilia,
Present ma'am.
Nalo Aulia, Safira Aulia,
Present ma'am.
Nafas Zakia,
Present miss.
Willy Putri,
Present miss.
complete. Now, okay guys, do you think record transaction is important?
Yes.
Yes, important?
Yes.
So, today we're gonna learn about general ledger in accounting practice. We go from local government is efficient. Okay, before I start to talk about general ledger, I want to know your insight about general ledger in local government accounting. You can do the test first. Scan the card, please. You guys have about 5 minutes to work on it. Okay, you guys are done? Okay. After we do the test, now I will talk about it. This is the table of the content. At first, we will talk about normal account balance, and second, difference in the rules of SKPD and BPD. Then we will learn how to journalizing in general ledger in local government accounting. Okay, this is normal account balance. Like usually we just learn about asset is in debit and liability and equity in debit, in credit. Sorry. This is difference in the role of SKPD and BPD. We will talk about aspect. Main function of SKPD is activity executor, and main function of BUD is cash management. The aspect of reporting focus, SKPD focus to record revenue and expenditure, BUD focus to record all regional cash flows. And the aspect of financial report, SKPD will make financial statements, and BUD will make regional government reports. Aspect of cash management, SKPD doesn't manage cash directly, but BUD manage regional cash account directly. The aspect of transaction reporting, SKPD based on right and obligations, but BUD based on cash flow. Next. Okay, we move to how to journalizing direct payments in general in local government accounting. Payments are made directly to those entitled to them once the allocation amount and recipient are confirmed. The source documents for recording these payments are the payment order and the direct funds distribution order, or we can say it SP2DLS. This is the journal. For example, January 2025, employee salary payment with SP2DLS amount to 50 million. From this amount, there are the details for PPH, access, taxpen, and available, amount to 3 million. The journal for the employee salary payment is as follows. Journal for SKPD is employee expenditure in debit. The check tables from the regional general treasurer is in credit, on credit. And journal in BUD is employee expenditure debit, cash in the regional treasurer credit. For the second, for report the PFK or PPH is cash in the regional treasury debit and PFK acceptance credit. This is journalizing income. Revenue accounting is carried out based on the gross principle, namely by recording gross receipts and not recording the net amount after being compensated for by expenses. This is a study case. Example, the Yemen provincial government authorized PT Amerta to collect fuel tax by paying a collection of 2% of total revenue. In January 2025, fuel tax revenue amount to 120 million with 2,400,000 rupiah directly deducted from the collection fee. This is the journal for SKPD is debt to BUD debit. Next, revenue credit and expenditure goods in debit, receivable from BUD credit, and this is journal in BUD is debit cash in the regional treasury, tax revenue credit 122 million, and expenditure goods in debit cash in the regional treasury credit. Next, journal recording of purchase receipts. Corrections to expenditures are receipts of expenditure that occur during the period in which the expenditures are made are recorded as a debt creditation to expenditures in the same period. If the chief in the following period, corrections to expenditures as recorded in all the revenues of PAD. Journal recording of purchase receipt. For example, in February 2025, employee expenses from January 2024 amounting to 3 million were received back. The journal entry for the receipt of these expenses is as follows. Journal for SKPD is receivable from BUD debit, employee expenditure credit, and journal for BUD is cash in the regional treasury debit, employee expenditure in credit. Next example, in January 2025, a refund of official travel expenses of 7 million was received from an employee, which was paid in 2024. The journal entry for the refund of these expenses is as follows. Debt to BUD, debit, and other PAD income in credit. This is journal for SKPD, and for BUD is cash in the regional treasury debit, employee expenditure in credit. Next, journal recording of purchase receipt. A surplus in the difference between revenue and expenditure during a reporting period. A deficit is the difference between revenue and expenditure during a reporting period. The difference between revenue and expenditure during a reporting period is recorded as a surplus or deficit item. The illustration uses a tiered account closing approach in the regional board unit or SKPD. the budget realization account is close to the budget allocation account in the SKPD SPDA. This is this is example. Estimated revenue in the DPI SKPD is 10 million and realized revenue is 9 million. Allotment for spending is to 20 million and realized spending is 18 million. Closing journal in SKPD namely is below revenue and debit 9 million, debt to BUD 1 million, in debit estimate allotted revenue in credit 10 million, and expenditure allotment debit to 20 million, receivable from BUD 2 million, and credit expenditure 18 million. This is journal recording of financing received transaction. Transactions related to financing are recorded and counted for by the Regional General Treasurer or BUD. This is in 2024, a loan of 100 million was received from the central government. This loan is a long-term loan which will be paid in installments over 5 years starting in 2025. The journal for achieving the loan is as follows: cash in regional treasury, 500 million in debit, loan acceptance, 500 million in credit, funds to be provided for long-term debt repayment, in debit, debt to the central government. Recording of financing expenditure transaction. Financing expenditures are recognized when cash is disbursement from regional treasury. For example, 100 million was disbursed as capital investment in PDAM. Then journal entry for the capital investment expenditure is PDAM is as follows. This journal is withdrawal of local government capital participation in debt amount to 100 million, cash in regional treasury 100 million, in credit this is to record capital participation in PDAM. Then capital participation of the local government debit 100 million, invested in long-term investment in credit 100 million. Okay, conclusion. The general journal in local government accounting is the initial record used to document all financial transactions chronologically as a basis for posting to the general ledger. It records debits and credits according to the rules and is used by both SKPD and BUD with different recording focused based on their respective rules. Okay, before I close the presentation for this material, do you have some questions? No, I think it's clear enough. Then, if it's clear for you guys, I will divide you guys from two groups. Group 1 will discuss about why record journalizing is important. Group 2 will discuss about what might happen if recording transaction is not recorded by properly. Okay? It's group 1 for you to discuss. Group 2. You guys have about 5 minutes. Is it enough? Okay. Have you guys done? Okay. One representative from each group can share the answer. Both of you guys. Group 1 and group 2.
representative from Group 1. So in our opinions, recording to the transactions is important because it helps us to track financial activity clearly and accurately. It also makes it easier prepare financial reports and avoid mistakes. Thank you. Next.
So I represented from Group 2. In our opinion, if transactions are not recorded properly, it can cause error in financial report, make data unreliable, and lead to poor decision making.
Okay, good job. Give applause. Okay, then this is the post test. You have to work on it. You guys have 5 minutes to work on it. Okay? Okay, finish? Finish. Okay, finish, right? Alright, that's all. I think that's all for today's lessons. I hope you understand the materials and thank you for your attention and your participation for today. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you.